VidIQ is offering flat 50% discount and best offers for new creators. Let's grab it step by step here. To claim the latest VidIQ coupon code, simply click the link in the video description. We're already on the official VidIQ website. VidIQ is a YouTube growth platform with tools for content ideas, trend research, video optimization, thumbnails, subscriber insights, and AI-powered coaching. Now let's open the pricing page. Here we can see the available plans, including Free, Boost, and Max. The Boost plan costs $19 per month. It includes 2,000 AI credits every month, click-worthy thumbnails and minutes, unlimited trend research, thumbnail tools, video optimization, subscriber insights, AI coach, and creator masterclasses. Next is the Max plan, priced at $49 per month. It includes everything in Boost, plus 6,000 AI credits, more AI coach conversations, powerful Max Mode AI, and up to 11 hours of short clipping and AI generations. For this tutorial, sign up on VidIQ and go to Upgrade. Now let's select the Boost plan. Choose your billing option and continue to checkout. Now we're on the checkout page. Review your selected plan, billing period, and total price. A promotional code field is available. Enter your eligible code and apply it. Check the final amount, complete your account and payment details, and finish the purchase. Once payment is completed, your VidIQ plan will be activated. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more techie coupons.